What's up? Do you have a weird, rickety old skeleton in your biology classroom too? And I'm not talking about the teacher. Anyway, today we're gonna look at the basics of the human skeleton, mainly at how the skeleton is divided. The human skeleton is an endoskeleton. That means it's inside the body. The opposite of this is an exoskeleton. This one is outside the body, like the one a crab has. The advantage of our endoskeleton is that it can grow with us. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones in all. Infants and children have even more. The smallest bone in the human body is the stirrup bone in the ear. It measures just a few millimeters in length. The largest is the femur. The human skeleton is often divided into two sections, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. First, let's look at the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton is basically the main bit in the middle. It includes the skull, the spine, and the rib cage. The axial skeleton has about 80 bones in total. On to the appendicular skeleton. It includes the shoulder girdle and the hip girdle. Anything else? Well, up top are the arm and the hand bones. They belong to the appendicular skeleton as well. And down below, we have the leg and foot bones. There's also one more section you should know about. The skull, and the skull alone is referred to as the cranium. So, it gets special treatment. The rest is referred to as the postcranium. Post means after. That should help you remember it. I'd say it's pretty easy. I hope you've learnt the basics of how the skeleton is divided. For the first division, just remember the terms axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. And for the second division, just remember the terms cranium and postcranium. You're really gonna impress people with these words. Find lots more on the topic of the human body, the skeleton, and the like in the search bar. Go for it and see you soon!